Hello everybody, I'm named BeastKiller69 and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm an independent content creator on the YouTube Incorporated platform and I make YouTube videos for YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to download GTA 4 for just 5 megabytes. No scam, 100% real, 100% works, no virus, no single moms around your area ads, 100% legit. I have tried it on my mom's phone and it works perfect on Ultra HD graphics. If it works on my mom's phone, it works on yours too. First of all, I want to thank everybody for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I love you all so much in a full home way and you don't know how happy I am to have you in my life. Only if I had one. Every day I wake up sad and depressed and horny, but then I remember that I have you all in my life. Before getting into the YouTube video, I want you to follow my other social media accounts, such as Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, Tinder, MySpace, YouTube, Roblox, Candy Crush, Free Fire, 6 Degrees, Dark Web, Porn. By the way, do you know that you can subscribe to the YouTube channels that you really like? It is very easy. All you have to do is press the bright red rectangular shaped subscribe button that looks like a subscribe button below the video. It is situated 0.984 inches under the video. The subscribe button is not above the video, beside the video, or in the video. And press the light gray colored icon that looks like a bell beside it so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post my entertaining YouTube videos on YouTube. But before we get into the YouTube video, make sure to donate to my Patreon. That's where I'll be posting my daily solitaire gameplay and how to perform the morning namaz in just 765 easy steps. It's only 5 bitcoins a month. It's an offer you'll never financially forget. And also don't forget to buy my original YouTuber merch. All the profits will come right into my wallet. Okay guys. Now I'm going to show you guys how to download GTA 5 with only 5 megabytes. It is fucking crazy guys. Only 5 megabytes. It is less than PUBG and Red Dead Redemption combined. And all you have to do is watch this YouTube video to the end to see how to download GTA 6 for only 5 megabytes. But before we get into the YouTube video, I want you to hit the like button and share this video with your family and homies for more content like this. And now, a word from our today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. In this game you can... Alright guys, I think it's about time I get into the video. But before we get into the YouTube video, I want to thank you all for taking your time to watch my YouTube video. It means a lot to me and my family. If you were generous enough to abuse that like and subscribe button, I thank you from the surface of my heart. And if you enjoy my YouTube content, don't hesitate to email me your credit card details. It's for good cause. And also, please donate at herecomes-the-money@imrich.com. Okay, now we can get into the YouTube video. But first, I'd like to admit that I don't know how to actually download GTA 7 for just 5 megabytes. How depressing. But I still hope you found my YouTube video very informative and YouTube family friendly. And if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. I wish I could suck on your toes for all the support you give me, but I hope it's going to happen someday. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, follow my social media accounts, donate to me, buy my merch, and last but not least, email me your credit card details to motivate me into making more YouTube videos. See you guys in the next YouTube video. Subscribe.